guys, you made it! Yeah, we made it just in time. I brought my crane. Good job, Rubble. Okay, Marshall. I got my fire rescue truck. It can fly. Good job, Marshall. So I need you to go out there and put out the fire. No problem, Chase. Time to transform. Ta-da! Now I can fly. Shoo! Time to go save the day. Yay, I did it! I put the fire out! Woo! Woo! Time to land. I did it, Chase. Good job, Ryder. I mean, good job, Marshall. Now, we need to tell those firemen to get the kid down now that the fire's out. Firemen, firemen! Yes, Chase? You gotta put the fire out. Okay, no problem. Come on, not put the fire out. You gotta get the kid. He's up there. You gotta help him. Help me, help me. Okay, crew, go up there and get him. Come on, kid. Come with me. Okay. Okay. Now. Ah! Oh no. I'm okay. I'm okay. Thank you. No problem. Thank you, Chase. Thank you, Rubble. Thank you, Marshall. You saved me. No problem. No fire's too big, no puppet's too small. Yay. But we're not done yet. No? Rubble, you have to tear down the burnt pieces so I won't fall down and hurt anybody. I'm on it, Chase. Well... Woo! You guys gotta move out the way. Construction underway. Wah, wah, wah. It's all done, Ryder. We took down the burnt pieces and now we saved the day once again. Yay! We did good today, guys. High paw. Pew, pew. Thank you again. You guys are so great. It's no problem. We're just doing our job. Thank you. We saved the day once again. Bye, everyone.